Good morning, I'm back to vlogging. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be going back and doing some daily vlogging for you, showing you a day in the life of a small YouTuber, and starting off that series again and just kind of showing you a bit more of my personal life. I was talking to a couple of you on Snapchat, Instagram and on Facebook as well, for a couple of you that I have on like my personal Facebook. Kaylee, you know who you are. Let's close the star over. And I decided I'm going to start like vlogging again and just showing you a bit more behind the scenes of me. I feel like you don't see much of my personal life anymore, so that's what I'm going to start doing, and I'm so excited. So today is Monday. I'm going to try to upload these and have them edited at least within 2 days of me filming them. So hopefully you're seeing this on Tuesday. If you are, then I did this week. This was Monday this week. On a Monday I work late, so it's currently 9:15. I've been awake since about 7:30, but didn't really get out of bed. My mum brought me a cup of tea into bed because she thought I was on like my normal shift, but I wasn't. I'm on a late, so I don't start work until 11:30, and then I finish at 7:30 tonight. So I'll take you with me to work. But what I want to do this morning is I really want to go and do some, like, cook some chicken. Let's take my cups down. I went to bed with a cuppa last night in my giant mug, and then my mum bought me a little mug of tea this morning as well. Doing the kitchen out, by the way, so just ignore that. So yeah, I really want to cook some chicken. I'm hoping I've still got some salad left. If I haven't got any salad left, then I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna have some rice and veg instead, because I know I've definitely got some of that frozen. I haven't really filmed a video to show you my new hair as well. I've gone a lot blonde now, kind of gone for a dark route and nice blonde, bright hair again. So yeah, can you just tell that I'm just so excited? Oh, good spot. So excited to be vlogging again. Yay! Give this video a thumbs up if you love my vlogs and you loved my like small YouTuber series, because I'm so excited to be doing it again. And if you didn't like it, then please subscribe. Don't forget to turn that notification button on, because I'm going to be uploading more than just my Sundays and Wednesdays, which I was struggling to do anyway. So I'm hoping this kind of reunites a YouTube fire back inside of me, because I did kind of lose my passion for a little bit, and I'm trying to spark it back up. I've been doing a lot of meal prepping recently to try and lose weight, and I have been losing weight, but the past week I've kind of fell off the bandwagon. So I want to get myself back onto it, especially with me having this late every Monday, because it will be changing soon. I will be only doing it every now and again instead of it being every week. So I want to take advantage of that. So I've been buying these bags of chicken from Aldi, and these are the 100% chicken breast fillets. These are like the slightly more expensive than the other ones, just because I'm funny with chicken. So I just wanted to go for these ones. They're only about £4 for a bag of, how many do I get in here? I don't know. Don't know what it says actually. Doesn't say. Just says 700 grams. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this rub that I got from Morrison's. This is the Nando's Peri Peri rub in medium, and it serves 3 to 4 people, but basically just 4 chicken breasts. So I'm going to get 4 out. Well, actually I'm going to get 5 out. I'm going to rub all this onto it. I'm hoping it's going to work with them being frozen. We shall see. But I'm going to do 5 just in case I don't like it. Or should I just try 1? I might just do 2 and do 1 with this on and 1 without, and see what I think. Then I can cook more tonight if I want to. I can just reseal this back up. That's what I'll do. I just don't want to waste all the chicken if I don't like it. So I'll try 1 with and 1 like just plain. And then I've been buying like frozen rice, frozen veg, just for ease, and just because that's the only way I'm actually gonna eat it. Otherwise I'm just not gonna, like, let's be serious, I'm not gonna sit and fucking, excuse my language, but I'm not gonna sit and cut veg and prep it all and stuff like that, because I'm just, 1, I'm lazy, 2, I just don't see that as a viable use of my time, and 3, I want something quick. I want to be able to lose weight and for it to be quick, not to be a chore. So this is my lazy girl's way to meal prep. If you want to see a video on this, then please let me know. Leave it in the comments down below, or like I said, give this video a thumbs up, because I'll be more than happy to do that for you. But that's all I've been doing. I've been getting pre-made salmon, like pre-cooked from Aldi for like, you get 2 for like £3.49. I literally take it out of the package, don't even warm it up, and I just put it on rice and veg, frozen rice and veg that I've cooked in the microwave, and then it's done. Perfect. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. That takes 40 minutes to cook in the oven as well, so whilst that's cooking I'm going to have a shower, and I'm also going to put some makeup on as well. So I've got my stuff ready for work. I've got a chicken salad. The salad is like just a pre-made one from Morrison's, and then obviously the chicken, the plain chicken that I've just cooked. And I've also put some kind of like garlicky sauce on it. I'll show you that later on. It's so low calorie. So I've drowned it in that because I actually like it. It's the first time I've tried it. I've also got one of these Sky yogurts, which is laid with cherry. I don't know if I'm going to like this because I don't know if I like cherries. And it has like actual cherries in it, but I'll give it a try. And that's 122 calories, and it is fat-free and high in protein. Let's see how much protein's in it, because they always say high in protein, but then there's not that much actually. Yeah, so you're looking, say, just over maybe 10-12 grams of protein in that. I've also got these, which I absolutely love, from Aldi. I do like these. They're only 85 calories. The only downside to it is obviously it is high in salt. But apart from that, yeah, I like them. They're kind of like a healthier version of Sun Bites, because Sun Bites aren't actually that healthy. And then I've also got a dairy dunker, which I've literally just got just in case I'm a little bit hungry later on. But even with all of this, and I've also had a vegetarian sausage sandwich this morning for my breakfast, I still have 700 calories left to play with when I get in tonight, so today is going to be a good day. Hello again. So it is, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 8 o'clock. Oh, 8:30. I thought it was 8 o'clock. And on the way home from work, I popped into Teesside Park and decided to have a look to see what was in their 70% off sale. Because when I spoke to Amber, she like sent me pictures of some goodies that she got. So I thought I'd show you what I've got. I only picked up 2 things because there wasn't really much left with it starting last week, and obviously it's been the full weekend and everything. I'll just turn this brightness down a little bit. That's a bit better. So the first thing that I picked up was something that I actually eyed up when it was full price, but I just couldn't justify paying £45 for it. This is the Beauty Bakery Piece of Cake blush palette. So you get 3 blush shades in it. I don't know if you can see them there. But then you also get the eyelash icing black waterproof mascara as well, which I just think is a bargain. So this was meant to be £45 and I got it for £13.50, and then used my Boots points, so I got it for free. So I had like £33 of Boots points, so I got that. And then this set, which was also reduced from £45 to £13.50 for free with my Boots points. Like, I actually can't believe it. So this is the Winky Looks. You get an eyeshadow palette, 6 eyeshadow palette. You get a highlighter, like a lip balmy thing. I think it changes to the pH of your lips and then changes like to a certain pink. And then also 2 lip glosses as well. And I'm assuming this green one must change colour as well. Otherwise it's just going to be a green sparkly lip gloss. So I thought for £13.50 for them 2, you literally can't go wrong. Like, absolute bargain. So I think I'll probably do a video trying these out. If you want me to try them out in a video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Because I'd be more than happy to do that for you as well. And I also have the Beauty Bakery powder, which I tried, the flour powder, which I tried for the first time for a night out for my birthday. Well, a belated birthday night out. Which you'll have saw if you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff like that, that I've went out for my birthday, but like late in January, and my birthday is late in December. So yeah, I tried that out then and I really enjoyed it. So I'm hoping that this lives up to that same expectation as well. And I've never tried anything from Winky Looks before either, so I just thought, bargains, yes please, give them to me. I've also came home and put some more of that chicken in the oven. I put like the last 3 bits of chicken that were in the bag because a little update regarding the Nando's rub situation. I don't know, it's just made my chicken a weird texture that I don't like, so I won't be using that again. I'll just stick to my plain chicken. And as for that sauce, oh, unbelievable. It's the Morrison's Eat Smart garlic and herb sauce. I paid like just over £1 for it. For a 15ml serving, it is 10 calories. So it's like absolute bargain. And also like really good for calories as well. Yeah, I've also got some fish fingers in because I'm going to have a fish finger sandwich for my tea because I just feel like it. And I think I might start editing this video because I'm just so excited to like get this edited and uploaded and stuff for you. I'm just really feeling it. I've been talking to you all through Snapchat today. I've had so many of you reply to me saying like different feedback for my vlogs and stuff, and I really appreciate it, so thank you so much. I've screenshotted all of your replies and I'm going to sit down and go through them and kind of like tally up what is kind of like what people genuinely want to see, but then also incorporate the one people like, for instance, everyone said that they like long vlogs, but then 1 or 2 said that they prefer like short and snappy ones, so I'm not just going to go like completely disregard that just because there's only been like 2 and the rest of the majority have said for long ones. I'll just like mix it up and I'll have some long, I'll have some short and stuff like that. So yeah, just waiting for my fish fingers to cook, and then I think that's me done for the night food wise. Woohoo! I think I've still got like 200 calories left, but I've been picking out different biscuits and stuff. Like half a biscuit, like half a party ring and stuff like that. So I think I'll just leave the rest of my calories unless I'm really hungry, then we shall see. Oh, look at my little sticky up bits. I'm gonna say goodnight from here. I actually just want to give you a little update. I ended up binning all of that chicken that I just cooked. I would not recommend it. That's my 2nd or 3rd bag that I've had of that chicken. My first bag was like completely fine, but that one was just over pumped with water, and all the texture gone funny. So earlier on in the video when I was saying it was the Nando's rub that had done that, it wasn't at all. It's the chicken, so I won't be buying from there anymore. If anyone could recommend places to get good frozen chicken from, or even just good normal chicken from, and maybe I'm gonna have to just get over the fact that I can't have frozen chicken for ease anymore, then please let me know, because that just absolutely knocked me when Mum's sick and I just had to bin all of it. But yeah, apart from that, I just want to say thank you so much. It's 10:15. I'm gonna go to bed. I've got a book that I really, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. It's tucked in down there, I couldn't see it. I've got a book that I want to go to bed and read, because I want to try and get up earlier and try and do it so I start becoming a bit more of a morning person. I'm actually thinking about doing a challenge where I have to get up for a full week straight, probably excluding weekends, but probably like Monday to Friday, like a work week, where I get up at 5:30 every single day. So please let me know in the comments down below, because if you watch my videos you know I'm a night owl. Like, stay up till 1, 2 o'clock and I'll get up for work the next day at like 7:30, 7 o'clock. Like, I'm just such a night person. So I'm going to try and go to bed early tonight, and I'm going to read this book, which is the Overcoming Anxiety, a self-help guide using cognitive behavioural techniques. And I literally just started reading a little bit of this last night, and then I started talking to some of you guys on Snapchat and stuff, and started getting some feedback from you, so I kind of like put this down to like sort that out, ready to film for today. Whereas today, when it comes to 10:30, I'm literally turning my computer off, going downstairs, getting myself a big mug of tea again, and I'm going to sit and read my book and use this as time for myself. So I actually have I've referred myself for some therapy with Alliance. So I actually have my telephone assessment on Thursday night at 6:30, but I'll talk about that more in my next vlog or one of my upcoming vlogs, and we'll go into that in a bit more depth, because it's something that I do want to talk about properly, but not just at the end of like this little vlog. Plus I know this one's a bit long as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have you read this book before? If you have, please let me know what you think. I'm literally still reading the foreword part of it. I think I only got up to like maybe page 2. Yeah. I didn't get any further than that because I just got distracted by talking to you guys, which I don't mind. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love you loads. Don't forget to hit subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Turn that notification button on, and I just love you. And thanks for giving me a little bit of a spark today without you even realising that you did. Love you so much. Oh, I just love you so much.